These prints here, and they're melting, belong to a ruffled grouse. I have one that lives in here. It's lived in here for a few seasons now. I don't know if it's the same one, but that's like a 2025 goal I have for this channel, is to capture its wing beating for you all. If you've never been around a ruffled grouse, and you don't even have to be here. If it's there, I mean, you can be across the field. It beats its wings so strongly, and my understanding is it creates a vacuum. And you hear it, and it speeds up, and you feel it in your chest, and it's insane. Every single person that's been out here, when it happens, their face changes. So that's a goal. That's a goal I have. I don't think it'll come through on the camera. But my goodness, if you in person. And again, I really need to make this point that we all know the power of water, right? We've seen the tsunami videos. Even when we were kids doing that and watching puddles, we get it. We've got it for a long time. And look at all this water being held back by sticks and mud made by rats. Think about that. How many people are buried in Hoover Dam, entombed in Hoover Dam? No beavers died making this. That's insane, right? Like, how can you not be impressed, at least for the last 40 seconds of this video? I don't know the relationship between, I wouldn't be surprised if humans stole this idea from, or learned this idea, I should say. It's incredible. Just when you think of that alone, look at all this water being held back by this perfectly, except where they want it. And you all are angry about stuff.